Hi, I'm Frank Linnehan, the Dean of the LeBow College of Business. And at LeBow, we've now begun talking about three guiding principles. One is integrity. Integrity in everything we do, integrity in our faculty research, and integrity in the classroom. Two is impact. The impact of our faculty research on their disciplines, the impact of our work with the business community in consulting projects for companies, for example. And the third guiding principle is inclusion. Joining me today is Brian Ellis. Brian is the Assistant Dean for Undergraduate Studies and has been instrumental in presenting and creating a plan for our inclusion principle this year.
Thanks for having me, Frank. First and foremost, what we wanted to do was include the students, let them be part of the process. So we did that through focus groups, and we also talked to professional staff and faculty. And basically, we built what we call 6 platforms of diversity and inclusion. The platforms are resources, pressure point panel discussions, college bylaws, case competitions, student voices, and last but not least, faculty and staff development.
Okay, and I know those pressure points include a panel discussion with industry leaders to talk about how important inclusion and diversity is in their organizations.
We're really excited about the pressure point panel discussions. In fact, the first will be October 20th, and we have some colleagues coming in from Comcast to really talk to us about what's happening at Comcast as it relates to diversity and inclusion.
Okay, and this isn't just about something on college campuses. This is very important in organizations across the country today. Now, we do have a program called Bridge, and I know that's been very successful and is an integral part of our strategy towards inclusion. Can you talk a little bit about Bridge?
The program's been around since 2012. In fact, we're going to graduate our first cohort this upcoming spring.
Great.
As of right now, the persistence rate for those students is 90%. And I attribute a lot of that to the really intentional advising and really some of the strengths of the program. Right now, the program, the students, one of the pillars for the students is community service. So they're actually in the process of creating a summer camp for area high school students. So we're excited about that.
Right. I know Bridge really focuses on the bringing in and making sure students from underrepresented minority groups succeed in the college environment.
Absolutely.
Okay. Well, thank you, Brian. I appreciate all the work that you're doing, and I know that this is a college effort, and it's a value that we are espousing across the college. And as Brian said, it's very important to bring in all the voices here as we create a culture of inclusion. Thank you. And thank you again for joining us for another episode of Frankly with Dean Linnehan.